Here's a starter-friendly comparison to help you choose between DemoCreator and Camtasia, two popular screen recording plus video creation tools for tutorials, demos, courses, and presentations. Overview: what they are. DemoCreator, by Wondershare, an all-in-one screen recorder with built-in editing and helpful AI tools aimed at beginners, educators, YouTubers, and course creators. It's easier to learn and significantly cheaper than Camtasia. Camtasia, by TechSmith, a long-established professional tool combining high-quality recording with powerful editing, effects, and interactivity widely used in corporate training, professional tutorials, and advanced e-learning. 1. Beginner and ease of use. DemoCreator is designed to be friendly for new users. Its interface is intuitive, and you can start recording and editing within minutes. Camtasia offers more tools, but that can feel overwhelming at first, especially for those new to video editing. It takes longer to learn workflows and get comfortable. For beginners, DemoCreator wins for simplicity. 2. Recording and built-in tools. DemoCreator offers multiple recording modes: screen, game, webcam. AI tools like auto captions, teleprompter, voice effects, and virtual avatars. Good editor for tutorials and basic to moderate editing. Camtasia offers strong screen capture and webcam recording, advanced editing tools, effects, transitions, and audio processing, professional export options and collaboration tools. For basic to mid-level tutorial creation, DemoCreator is sufficient for most tasks. For professional or complex projects, Camtasia has the edge. 3. Price and value. DemoCreator, much more affordable, often well under $100 for a perpetual license or cheaper yearly plans. Great choice for students, educators, YouTubers, and budget-conscious creators. Camtasia, premium price, $299 one-time or subscription. Best value if you need advanced features regularly or work professionally. For most starters, DemoCreator is better value. For pros and long-term enterprise use, Camtasia may justify the cost. 4. Editing power and effects. Camtasia has a bigger suite of editing tools, animations, motion graphics, professional transitions. DemoCreator focuses on simpler editing, relying on AI to speed up tasks like subtitles and background removal. If you need corporate-level polish, Camtasia has more robust features. If you want quick editing without complexity, DemoCreator keeps it easy. 5. Support and learning resources. Camtasia has a large user base, extensive tutorial library, and more professional support options. DemoCreator also has 24/7 support and guides, but with fewer long-form learning resources overall. For long-term professional development, Camtasia's ecosystem is stronger. For quick starter help, DemoCreator's support is still solid. Bottom line, which should you choose? Go with DemoCreator if you're just starting and want something easy and fast. Your priority is screen recording plus simple editing. You need AI tools like auto caption/teleprompter. You want great value on a budget. Choose Camtasia if you're making professional training, e-learning, or corporate content. You need advanced editing, effects, and interactivity. Budget isn't a constraint. You plan to grow into a more complex workflow. Quick starter guide. DemoCreator, best beginner tool. Affordable entry price. AI enhanced simplicity. Camtasia, professional power. Bigger feature set. Longer learning curve.